In the preceding movie, we generated ammo in the scene using the instantiate function. If I press play on the toolbar, we can see from the game tab that when I click the mouse button here, we generate ammo objects in the scene, and we can see that from the hierarchy panel. But the problem that we observed is that this ammo object is never destroyed. Now, one way to fix this is to amend the script so that we call the destroy function on the ammo object after a specific period of time to delete the object from the scene. The problem with this, however, is that the instantiate function introduces a distinct and different problem, one that I haven't mentioned before. In particular, the instantiate function is computationally expensive. That means that every time we call upon instantiate to generate an object in the scene, the game will incur a performance hit, and we don't want to do that. So one of the ways to fix this problem entirely is that when the scene begins, we generate in advance all the ammo objects that we will ever need, and we store them in one big batch called a pool. And then whenever we need to display an ammo object, we simply activate it, and when the ammo object is supposed to be destroyed, we simply hide it. All we ever do when we need ammo is hide and show ammo objects from a group or a pool of ammo objects that are created automatically when the scene begins. This technique is called pooling, and I'm going to show you how to do this and how to get started at coding with it. Now, previously what I've done is I've created the code off screen and then pasted it into the code editor and explained how it works. But this time I'm going to take a different approach. I'm going to create the script file from scratch to show you how I tackle a problem from the ground up, piecing together the different lines and making decisions along the way, and explaining to you why I make the decisions I do. So I'm going to stop playback here, and the first issue that I want to address is the issue of the ammo object, the ammo script itself. In particular, I want to create an ammo object that disappears or is removed from the scene after a particular period of time. So outlining that problem now, the next issue we're going to address is how to make ammo objects disappear after a particular period of time.